Erin, one of our Blind People in Charge participants, vacuuming. She's doing very well. She said she really likes the vacuum. So Erin,
yeah.
How do you like the vacuum?
It's awesome.
And
it's really good. I want to get one.
And how is was this your first time learning how to use the vacuum?
No, I've been taught how to vacuum before, but I think it's the first time vacuuming with my body, like just standing up straight and actually being able to walk with the vacuum. Like I've always been taught, like you kind of stand in one spot and I don't know, you're like reaching and stuff.
Yeah.
I think this is way much safer and much more relaxed.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad you like it.
We'll go like a workout.
Yeah, we'll definitely be going back over the carpet with our feet to check to see if we missed anything, right?
Yeah.
Use those senses. Use your feet. If you feel that there's a spot that's dirty, then go back over it with the vacuum, okay?